Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain the Bilt Mastercard and how to pay rent. This unique card allows you to earn valuable rewards on your largest monthly expense. Rent. You'll get 1 point for every dollar spent on rent, up to 100,000 points each year, all without paying any transaction fees. Plus, there is no annual fee, making it a truly rewarding option for renters. Beyond rent, the Bilt Mastercard offers excellent earning rates on everyday spending. You'll earn 3 points per dollar on dining and 2 points per dollar on travel. For Lyft rides, you can even earn 5 points per dollar when your accounts are linked. Remember, you need to make at least 5 transactions each statement period to unlock all your earned points. This card comes packed with valuable benefits often found on cards with annual fees. You'll get trip delay reimbursement and cellular telephone protection, covering up to $800 with a $25 deductible. The points you earn are highly flexible, transferring one-to-one to over a dozen airline and hotel loyalty programs, including World of Hyatt and United Mileage Plus. You can also use Bilt Protect to pay rent directly from your bank account. Before using the Bilt Mastercard, keep a few things in mind. You must complete 5 transactions each statement period to earn all your points. Otherwise, rent payments only yield a flat 250 points. Rent point earnings are capped at 100,000 points per calendar year. Also, leverage rent day on the first of each month for double points on non-rent spending. This card generally does not include a sign-up bonus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.